Out. Mic test. We're in Pika Bean. We're eating potato corner and milk tea. Klaro na? Ganina dili siya klaro. Kay napay plastic ganina jay. Oh? Ganina na plastic wala na mo tanggala.
Ano ka na?
Unya, nga kayo. Daga na kami na video. Ngayon maniman, hindi maklaro kay natabunan sa plastic.
Maklaro naman to. Nabuli man, tungod naman sa plastic.
Maklaro ang audio gani. Ay ang audio di maklaro.
I-play ba itong ibang videos?
Sige daw Mitch, balik ka daw imong kuan Mitch. Sa imong koko. Diyan sa nimo?
I-play itong mga videos ganina.
Gross.
Coronavirus.
Coronavirus.
I just got back my phone. And we are in Ayala Central Block in IT Park. Black. Ayala Central Block. And we just attended the service in the IT Park, the Liberty IT Park, and now we just ate our dinner. It's already finished. And then afterwards, we're going to buy the lock. We are going to buy the lock. So we're thinking what to buy. If it's this one, or that one, or that one, whatever it is.
French fries.
Kaya nagsigil na ako sa kong hair kay.
French fries din.
Did you give me money?
Mic test 1.
Okay ba? Okay na, Mitch. Mitch, kumagasay ko. Okay. Or kani nagsingkong tubig ang masluto. Kani try may design. Ay design na hindi palit ay hindi mo nang. Ay tagaiti. Hindi palit ko te. Kani lang ay pero kasi lagi.
Hi, welcome to her YouTube channel, and today you will discover because she's back because her phone is back for a month. Why my skin is so dry?
Bye.
Put my shirt there 12 years ago.
Pero okay
Pero
na.
wala pa ang Ayala Center. Birahan kag cellphone dila day. Her phone is back. So makawata no ko wala na. Wala yung mabak. Uy, nagsigaw. Together we'll cross the road of success.
Uy, maglabang na sa dapat.
People determine failures as success. Determination. Discomfort as growth. Then, trials as triumph. According to 10 views. Pero ako sure sa kanang wording is
Actually, dili naman siya
avail of
Guys, thank you very much for following us today. Actually, nothing really happened so far. Very great. But the only great here is I already got my phone back. Today we are in Skyrise 1 here in IT Park because we attended the service in our church. And thank you very much for watching my vlog. I am so grateful and glad that you chose to be with me today.
Himong mama.
So the whole time I was speaking pero wala din na i-push ang button going to the basement, so nag-wait me og pila ka minutes now. Just to go down.
Wala silang paki.
My outfit is sponsored by Catherine. Aray. Shirael, Ate Mayan. Nothing is much. Today is Sunday and we are going back to church, but not in the